Welcome to our journey through the vibrant and luxurious Ginza Street in Tokyo, where tradition meets modernity. Last time, we introduced Harumidori Avenue, but this time, we'll be focusing on Ginzadori Avenue. We'll explore some of the most iconic and historical spots in Ginza, from high-end fashion boutiques to traditional Japanese landmarks. Okay, so let's dig in, guys. Itadakimasu. First up is the Bulgari Ginza Tower, a symbol of Italian luxury. Housed in a striking 11-story building, this flagship store offers an exquisite collection of jewelry, watches, and accessories. The architecture is a blend of modern and traditional Italian design, making it a standout landmark in Ginza. Next, we visit the Louis Vuitton Matsuya Ginza, an epitome of French elegance. The building's glass facade reflects the ever-changing cityscape, while inside, you'll find a wide range of high-end fashion and leather goods. It's a must-visit for fashion enthusiasts. Continuing our luxury tour, we arrive at Boutique Cartier Ginza. This iconic jewelry store is known for its timeless elegance and craftsmanship. The store's design is as exquisite as the pieces it houses, making it a perfect destination for those seeking sophistication. Another jewel in Ginza's crown is the Chanel boutique. This fashion house is synonymous with chic and timeless style. The Ginza store, with its impressive facade and luxurious interior, offers a wide range of Chanel's beloved collections. Moving on, we explore Matsuya Ginza, one of the oldest department stores in the area. It's a shopper's paradise, offering everything from high-end fashion to traditional Japanese crafts. The building's architecture is a blend of modern and classic styles, reflecting Ginza's unique charm. Mikimoto Ginza is a testament to Japan's pearl industry. Founded by Kokichi Mikimoto, the store showcases the finest cultured pearls. The elegant building and the exquisite jewelry inside make it a must-visit for those who appreciate the beauty of pearls. A visit to Ginza is not complete without tasting the famous anpan, a sweet bread filled with red bean paste from Ginza Kimuraya Bakery. This historic bakery is credited with inventing the anpan. The aroma of freshly baked goods is sure to entice you as you pass by. Ginza 6 is a relatively new addition to the district, but it has quickly become a landmark. This luxury shopping complex houses over 200 stores, offering a mix of fashion, art, and dining. The building's modern design and the rooftop garden provide a unique shopping experience. Welcome to Kakugo Inari Shrine, located atop the Ginza 6 building. Founded in 1815, this shrine was originally enshrined in Negishi, Edo, before being relocated to Matsuzakaya's rooftop in 1929. In 2017, it found its new home atop Ginza 6, blending tradition with modernity in the heart of Ginza. UNIQLO Ginza represents the best of Japanese casual wear. This flagship store spans multiple floors, offering a wide range of affordable and stylish clothing. It's a testament to UNIQLO's commitment to quality and innovation. Shiseido, a pioneer in Japanese cosmetics, has a flagship store in Ginza. Here, you can explore their extensive range of beauty products and experience their renowned services. Just a stone's throw away from the Shiseido store is the SHISEIDO Parlour. This historic restaurant offers a taste of Western cuisine with a Japanese twist. The elegant setting and delicious food make it a popular dining spot in Ginza. In the same building, on the basement level, you'll also find the Shiseido Gallery, showcasing contemporary art and design in a space dedicated to beauty and culture. Konparuyu. Experience a touch of traditional Japanese culture as you relax in a bath adorned with koi fish and majestic Mount Fuji. Painted by Morio Nakajima. Established in 1863, this historic bathhouse continues to be a haven for those seeking a peaceful retreat amidst the bustling streets of Ginza. Toyoiwa Inari Shrine, a hidden gem amidst the bustling city. In this quaint shrine, nestled between towering skyscrapers, visitors can enjoy a moment of quiet reflection, surrounded by the charm of lanterns, stone fox statues, and traditional wooden structures. It is a perfect spot for a brief escape from the fast-paced city life, providing a glimpse into the spiritual heritage of Japan amidst the modern landscape of Ginza. Last but not least, we have YAMAHA Ginza. This flagship store is a paradise for music enthusiasts. From pianos to wind instruments, YAMAHA offers a wide range of high-quality musical instruments. The store also hosts regular concerts and workshops. On the first floor, there is the cafe stand where you can enjoy craft drinks and art lattes in a space filled with music. You can also find original dorayaki that make great souvenirs. And that concludes our tour of Ginza's must-visit spots. From luxury shopping to traditional experiences, Ginza offers a unique blend of the old and the new. We hope you enjoyed this journey through one of Tokyo's most iconic districts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you soon. Bye-bye.